Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chlorine wash a pool. First, completely drain your pool, making sure no standing water is left. Next, remove all debris, leaves, and any visible algae from the pool's surfaces. Before you begin, gather your essential safety gear, including chemical-resistant gloves, protective goggles, and a respirator. Safety is paramount when working with strong chemicals, so always be prepared. Now, let's prepare the chlorine solution. In a dedicated bucket, carefully mix 1 part granular chlorine with 1 part water. Always add chlorine to water, never the other way around, to prevent splashing. Using a stiff bristled brush, apply this powerful solution evenly across all pool surfaces, ensuring complete coverage. Let the solution sit for a few hours, typically 2 to 4, allowing it to work its magic on stains and algae. After the solution has had time to penetrate, it's time for some elbow grease. Thoroughly scrub all pool surfaces with your brush to dislodge any stubborn stains, mold, or remaining algae. Once scrubbing is complete, rinse the entire pool with fresh water. It's crucial to direct this chlorinated rinse water to a safe, approved drain, avoiding landscaping or storm drains. Finally, neutralize any residual chlorine before refilling. With the chlorine wash complete, you can now refill your pool with fresh water. Once full, carefully test and balance all chemical levels, including chlorine and pH, to ensure it's safe and sparkling. Regular water chemistry testing is key to maintaining a healthy pool environment and preventing future issues. For an even easier clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your beautifully clean pool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.